Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make text move in Capcut Mobile. So I will be just tap on the application on my mobile device and I will just put some like any of photo or video, and I want to just write it like uh, example like Michael Kors. This is the watch brand, and you will just change the style of this uh, text on CapCut. Now the point is that how to text move in CapCut in mobile app. So you will just hold it and you will just with the thumb you will just move around all the specs, the video or a photo, and you will just simply just tap on to play it. So that's it. So in this way you will just have to move the text in CapCut. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.